we're supposed to get a really bad snowstorm tomorrow, so let's go to the grocery and prep. First, we're at the butcher. I have to get some meat, so let's go. Can I get 3 pounds of ground beef? And then probably 4 pounds of chicken breast. I just grabbed some bacon too. Okay, sorry if you can hear my air conditioner or heat, whatever. I spent like, I think $86 in there. I got 3 pounds of beef, 3 pounds of chicken, and then some bacon. Which I feel like it's a lot, but like we had a $100 gift card, so we didn't even spend any of our own money. And then I love this meat because I did fair as a kid, and they butcher all of our county's fair meat. So I know it's good. Now we're gonna go to Aldi, I think, for the rest of our groceries, and hopefully we can get everything we need there that we need, if that makes sense. We are at Aldi's now. We're gonna go in. Hopefully I can find a quarter in here. My car's a mess though, so let's see. Got our quarter, let's go in. Okay, it is freezing and snowing outside, but I only spent like $93 there. I need to start coming to Aldi. You know what? We need to get rid of the delivery. Wasted $10 because I just got so much stuff for only $93. Okay, now we're gonna go home, make some lunch, and it's gonna be bed or nap time. So let's go.